Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I am your girl Nessa, and today I have another J1 for my J1 peep. So about a week or two ago, I posted in my community tab that I want to get in contact with the agency and to ask some questions what you may want. I have good news and bad news. Which one do you want first? Okay, so I'll give you the bad news first. So the bad news is that I didn't get to do that interview with them, and I'll tell you why. One of them, they emailed me. They said that they were going to transfer it to their manager, and I said, okay, bam bam bam. Up till now, I have not received a email or any call or anything. Now the other one called me and asked me what is it I wanted to do the interview about, and to give them some information. I did that, and I have not gotten a follow-up on anything, so I left it there. No, I called one and I was asking, can I come in and do an interview and all those stuff, and the lady was like, no, they don't do that because students can twist up their word and they don't want anything negative go out there. And then now I start to sit and think, and I'm like, probably that's why the other two didn't really follow up with the whole procedure, the whole thing, because it's not a local company only, it's a company that's connected to US, and you have to be mindful of the things that you put out there. So my thought is that they don't want to get into something that they're not sure of, especially on the topic of J1 and the whole travel thing, knowing that they want to put a travel ban on everything, and Trump wants to do all of those stuff. It's best to be safe now than to put information out there that you're not really sure of. So unfortunately, there's not going to be any interviews, and those questions that you ask, it won't be answered, but I will try to answer them. Okay, no, and you may get the answers in this video. So the good news is that I contacted one, well, not really one, but the one that I wanted to go with this year, and they said that it's up and running. They're doing registration now. So the registration is $2,500, and then the processing fee, which is the fee to go overseas, is $1,650. So you guys can now go to Steve International and go and register if you want to be on the program for next year. And if you had paid your money for this year and have not gotten it back, you can go to the office and go and sign up some form to get back your money. So you can do that. If you had applied last year to go this year, and because of COVID you have not yet went on the program, then now you can go on the program, and the only thing that they're asking you to do is to pay a registration fee. Now I was like, why do we need to pay a registration fee again? The fact that we already registered last year and we didn't get to go. But then I thought about it and I was like, okay, maybe because they have to pay their staff, and in order for their staff to get paid, they have to get some money. So basically we have to just go with the process, and it's either we take it or leave it. And for me, it is, I think, to pay that 2,500 Jamaican dollars is little bit to what you're going to go over there and work for. So just make the sacrifice and go pay it and go now, because a lot of persons never get to go this year, and them are going to bum rush thing, so they need to go now. And I'm going to put up some posters so you guys can read, and I'm going to put it on my community tab so you can read it. They gave it to me to let you guys know, and I'm just so sorry that I couldn't get the information that you want to get. And if you have any other question as it relates to my experience, as it relates to going on the program, traveling, packing your suitcase, any little questions like that, you can always hit me up on Instagram, hit me up in the comments below, or you try to reach out to me somehow and I will definitely answer your question. Yeah, that's basically it. So go on out, go and register. So I'm just going to tell you a few little stuff that you can take to save you from all the hassles. You're going to take your TRN, your passport, you're going to take your letter from the school saying that you're a full-time student, you're going to take your transcript, you're going to take your passport size photos, and you're going to have a application letter for you to fill out, and just those little basic stuff. And then your money, of course, and you're going to pay that money at JN, and the poster will have it. I may just leave the poster right there. Yeah, right there. So the poster will have it, and yeah, just ensure go early, fill out the form, and do what you have to do. So that was just a short video, and if you have any other questions, just shoot me up in the comments down below. So thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.